Have you ever thought about the power of herbs? You might be surprised to learn that some of them can offer first aid solutions right from your kitchen. Yes, these humble plants, often used to add flavor to our meals, hold an array of medicinal properties that have been harnessed for centuries. From the ancient Egyptians to traditional Chinese medicine practitioners, people have turned to herbs for relief from various ailments. And the best part? These remedies are all natural, easily accessible, and can be used as a first line of defense for minor health issues. From aiding digestion to calming inflammation, speeding up wound healing to easing pain, these herbal wonders have got you covered. Not to mention, having these herbs within your reach might just save you an unnecessary trip to the pharmacy. Are you ready to discover which herbs could become your new first aid essentials? Let's dive in. Now that you have a basic understanding of the medicinal properties of herbs, you might be wondering how you can incorporate them into your daily life. The first step is to start growing your own herbal garden. It's easier than you think. Many herbs are low maintenance and can be grown in pots on a sunny windowsill or in your backyard. Having these herbs on hand allows you to harness their healing powers whenever you need. Plus, gardening is a therapeutic activity that can help reduce stress and improve mood. Next, learn how to prepare these herbs for use. Some can be used fresh, while others are more effective when dried. For instance, mint leaves can be steeped in hot water to make a refreshing tea that aids digestion and eases headaches. On the other hand, dried lavender flowers can be infused in oil and used to soothe minor burns and wounds. Lastly, remember that while herbs offer natural remedies, they should be used responsibly. Always do your research or consult with a professional before using any new herb. Understanding proper dosages and potential interactions is crucial to safely benefit from these plants' medicinal properties. In the next scene, we will delve deeper into the specific herbs that are essential for a well-stocked herbal first aid kit. There are numerous herbs with medicinal properties, but today we will focus on the most essential ones. Let's start with St. John's wort. This popular herb is known for its ability to soothe minor burns and accelerate the healing of cuts and scrapes when its oil is applied topically. Next is the humble apple. A simple remedy for minor kitchen or ironing burns involves grating an apple and applying it to the affected area to expedite healing and reduce pain. Apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, is an antiseptic and antibacterial powerhouse. Soaking a piece of cotton in it and applying it to a bee sting can provide relief from discomfort. Licorice is a versatile herb that can be used to soothe pharyngitis, mouth ulcers, and cold sores. Simply sucking on a small piece of licorice root or a licorice honey pastille can do wonders. Olive leaf, when chewed and its juice applied to a cold sore or wound, can promote healing. Mint, with its antibacterial and antiviral properties, is a versatile remedy for headaches, nausea, digestion, and gas. Rosemary, when steeped in hot water to make a tea, can alleviate conditions like indigestion and bloating. And yarrow, when its leaves are crushed and applied to a bleeding area, can aid in clotting and stop bleeding in minor cuts and scratches. Plantain leaves, when crushed and tied over a pimple, can help it burst and expel the pus. Chamomile tea is a natural sedative that can help those struggling with sleep problems get a good night's rest. Lavender tea, like chamomile, can help promote a restful sleep when consumed before bed. Cloves, with their analgesic and antiseptic properties, can provide temporary relief for toothaches. Chewing on a dry clove can alleviate tooth pain. Thyme leaves, when chewed, can help suppress bad breath. Melissa, or lemon balm, can provide relief from bug bites when its leaves are crushed and applied to the affected area. Garlic cloves, when crushed and applied to a bee sting, can reduce pain, swelling, and inflammation. And lastly, a simple tomato applied to a bee sting can also alleviate pain. These herbs can provide immediate relief for mild conditions, but remember, they are not a cure. For more serious conditions, always consult a medical professional. So next time you're faced with a minor health issue, consider reaching for one of these herbs. They're natural, readily available, and can provide relief when you need it. But always remember that while these herbs can be helpful, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. Use them wisely and stay healthy. Even though herbs can be beneficial, it's important to remember that they are not a one-size-fits-all solution. The effectiveness of these plant-based remedies can vary from person to person, and what works for one might not work for another. It's also crucial to understand that while these herbs can provide relief, they are not a replacement for professional medical advice or treatment, especially for serious or persistent conditions. If symptoms persist, or if the situation is severe, seeking immediate medical attention is paramount. It's also worth noting that some individuals may experience allergic reactions to certain herbs, so always test a small amount first. Additionally, pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and those with chronic health conditions should consult a healthcare professional before using any herbal remedies. Remember, herbs can support your health, but they don't replace professional medical advice. Use them wisely, and they can be a valuable addition to your home's first aid kit.